Hey, it's Tanya with your monthly trends report for December of 2020. So the number of homes listed for sale in Oakland, Berkeley, San Leandro, and Alameda was up this December as compared to December of 2019. Oakland was up by 56%. Berkeley was up by 233%. San Leandro just 11%. This is just two houses, so it's probably not really significant. Alameda was up by 222%. While this was up from the previous year, it was actually down from November. So the month's worth of inventory, this is how we gauge the health of a real estate market. So it all points to it being a pretty hot seller's market. Everything was under 1 month's worth of inventory. The important thing to note about this is that even when you're in a hot market, not all homes are the same level of hotness. Certainly location and condition play a huge role in upping that average sold price for a home. But do not underestimate the ability of your realtor to market your home. Some of us are marketing and work like we're in 2020 and 2021, and some realtors out there are still selling homes the same way that was done in the 90s. So with that being said, average sold price for December year over year, it was up. Oakland was up by about 5%, Berkeley up 13%, San Leandro up 21%, Alameda up 8%, and there really wasn't much of a difference when compared to November of 2020. So overall, this is very consistent with the way the market is in December. This is usually when the market is at its slowest. However, there's houses still being sold and prices are still up year over year. One of the biggest questions that people have out there is, with all this coronavirus, COVID stuff that's happening, is the real estate market going to crash? So let's see what the real estate industry experts have to say about that. Lawrence Yun, who is the chief economist of the National Association of Realtors, has stated that this winter may be one of the best winters for sales activity, and on a winter-to-winter comparison, this could be one of the best breakout years just based on the fact that pending contracts are at such a higher level. Danielle Hale, who is the chief economist of Realtor.com, states, "We expect home sales in 2021 to come in 7% above 2020 levels, and also all major service providers like Fannie Mae, the Mortgage Brokers, Bankers Association, and more are also predicting increase in home prices in 2021. So the outlook there is very positive. I have heard from some buyers that they are waiting for the market to crash before they buy that home. They may be waiting for a very long time. And if you are thinking about buying, you are better off, based on this information, buying earlier in the year than later in the year, after when prices have already gone up. A few other things that are probably gonna color the way the year goes is Prop 19, that first part that relates to second homes and needing to have that step up in basis. That part kicks in on February 16th, so that may or may not loosen up a few people's second homes by them putting them on the market. On April 19th, the second part of Prop 19 kicks in, which is the part that relates to victims of natural disaster, the disabled, and people who are 55 years or older, and their ability to now transfer their tax base up to 3 times. Before it was just once, but now it's going to be 3 times. Also, a lot of stuff is just going to depend on what happens with coronavirus and that vaccine distribution. So if you have any questions about any of this, feel free to comment below, shoot me a text, send me an email. My contact information is all below here. And if you would like a market trends report specific to your city, the request link is also below. Shoot me a text, send me an email. You know where to find me.